Ako talaga ito kasi, alam niyo naman, lahat ng genre ay kaya nito. Ako talaga yung madalas matanong kasi ito talaga hindi ko talaga mga sinasayaw. Alam niyo naman, 'di ba? Napapanood niyo naman lagi yung mga danceable namin. Pare-pareho lang or puro chorus, masa, madaling aralin. Ito talaga walang hihinga, walang uuwi na hindi ko nakakabisado yung step. Talagang tiyagaan talaga. As in, talagang kailangan ma-absorb ko pati yung music.
You're out of breath after the performance. I know the physical toll na kailangan for the rehearsals for this. So how does it feel?
Oo, naging emotional
Oo.
ka kanina nung natuwa yung judges sa performance mo. And we know na talagang alam mo din na nagawa mo eh. This time, you got it perfectly. And we're so proud of you.
Yes,
Thank
we're so
you,
proud of
glory
you.
to God talaga. Matinding dasal talaga, tsaka focus lang talaga. As in, focus lang na nag enjoy ka habang ginagawa mo yun.
Yeah.
Connection and dapat ine-enjoy mo talaga yung dance. Talaga, yun yung mahalaga kasi kahit nga, sabi ko nga, kahit nga ihataw mo yan. Kung hindi nakikita sa'yo na nag enjoy ka, baliwala rin.